So guys, I want to show you what I just did on the 2021 Pilot. I got some new license plates and frames. Of course, I had to go with the legacy black plates here to go with the whole theme. Kind of flows with everything I'm doing to this car. But also picked up these nice, thin, they're matte black license plate frames from Amazon. Really nice quality. I did some research. People have had these. They said they last a long time and they're not that expensive. They look really nice, especially with the 4 bolts. You don't get any rattling. So check this. Right here is where I got them. Under $10 for a 2-pack, and you get all the necessary bolts and stuff that you need. Really, like I said, a nice quality. It's hard to find a nice quality without spending a fortune. I really like the front one here too. Check this out. Let me show you here. You guys know that these cars have these big old plate holders on them. Well, this one fits right in the area, which is awesome. All the other ones I've had, they kind of sit up on the edge here. But look at that one. Fits right inside. So it looks like it's made for it. So you don't have to like teeter it on the little edge of that plastic. So it looks really clean. I like it. Like it a lot. I think it flows good. Like I said, it holds the plate. You don't have to put tape, no rattling, because it has the 4 mounting spots on it. Really big fan of it. I think it ties everything together. Like I said, the black theme. I'll show you what it looks like outside here. I just feel like the black plate and that frame looks really good. So if you want it, a great license plate frame, not really expensive, check the link in the description. Like I said, Amazon, you get a 2-pack. And from what I'm told, they hold up to the elements pretty well too. So let me go ahead and show you outside what it looks like. Okay guys, now this car hasn't been washed, so it's going to be dirty right now. But you get the idea. So check that out. It flows really nice. I like it a lot. Like I said, I think it ties it all together, especially the black plate and the badges and the wheels. I didn't want like a chrome license plate frame, of course. But I think it really ties it together if you look at it. So again, if you're looking for something, a license plate frame that is not overdone, very clean, if you guys are going for the black look, check it out. Amazon has some great deals on them. Like I said, for $9.95, I believe is what I paid. Doesn't break the bank, and they look awesome. So definitely go check them out. Hope everyone's staying safe out there and doing good. I appreciate all your support, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Appreciate it, everybody.